welcome guys. In this video we are going to collect more points and we are going to answer these warp speed quizzes, and let's get started. First we start this from this, and let's see what new questions are here. So I think Rolex is a brand. Okay, nice, good point. Okay, now US has a 9 time zones. That should be correct. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, a time in a bottle. Okay, correct. So we got our first quiz done here. Let's test your smarts. Okay, this is already we solved it yesterday. Similarly, same quiz are appearing every day. Okay, next, Texas and Nevada. Next question: which team defeated the US 3-2 to win the World Baseball Classic? So Japan is the right answer. Let's go. What item did a pair of inmates use to dig their way out of Virginia jail? The toothbrush is correct answer. Okay, next question. Which week US city just launched a new ad campaign to boost post-pandemic tourism? So this is a New York or We Love New York campaign. This is a very nice. Next question. Jake Paul and Lindsay Lohan are most among the celebs charged this week. Why the SEC over? So cryptocurrency endorsement. This is the right answer. Next question. Next question is a new type of chicken is one step closer to being sold in US. What's unique about it? So this is a grown lab chicken, which is government is approving to sell these in markets. Missionary Jeff Bodke was released after being held hostage for more than 6 years in which country? So right answer is Niger. Okay, which US state just unfurled a new state flag? The Utah got their new flag. Okay, start of which streaming service visited the White House this week to promote mental health? Ted Lasso is the correct answer. So one last question is Kami York, Kami York, a 18-year-old aliens is making a name for herself in male-dominant sports. The answer is auto racing. So we correct answered these 10 questions. Let's go for another quiz. Okay, let's reload how many questions we have right now. Okay, let's hold this question. Okay, what do you love about spring? So I love about nice weather, longer days as well. Okay, this question is solved. Okay, this I don't want to. I just opened this for points. Let's go for another. All quizzes are done almost. Okay, this is a 1 minute quiz. Let's do this. Okay, let's go for this. This is the right answer. Which is the New York least populated though? I don't know. Okay, we got right answer. Next question. I know this answer. Empire State Building is the right answer. Okay, we got 10 more points. Let's go for. Okay, these are the quizzes which are the answer, and you can collect more points today. And you can see I'm collecting all the points just clicking on these tabs, because you don't need to do something. You can just click and you can see the all points are collected. So today we collected 480 points, and you can see in few days, like within a week, we completed around 3237 point. And yesterday I was busy in something, so I forget about this. So I will try to keep it up. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you want some automation, I will provide you in few days. I am working on it. So till then, bye bye.